I heard you like to go out late at night, dance around the amber of the southern lights. Knew you were home by the creek in the floor, your foot silhouette under a bedroom door. You're driving me home at 7 a.m., hand in mine like a heaven-sent hymn, moving and shaking like the ramblers do, after getting through the days I never thought I'd get through. You bring heaven down to me, coursing through my blood as I breathe. I bet the angels are jealous of a girl I know. She takes my stain and makes me white as snow. White as